In this video, we will be covering printing barcodes and RFID tags from the user perspective in FreezerPro. Note that the user role in the system is the lowest ranked role that permits a user to access the printing tools. This tutorial will take place primarily in the main navigation panel on the left-hand side of the user interface and in the main view window. To begin, first expand the Actions menu in the main toolbar and select the User Preferences option. The first step to successfully printing in FreezerPro is to ensure that the correct printer profile is selected for the user. In the User Preferences menu, select the desired printer from the drop-down menu and select the Save button to save your changes. You may choose to print from a profile with only a barcode label setup or one with an RFID tag included. You are now ready to begin printing barcodes in FreezerPro. Barcodes can be printed for just about anything in FreezerPro, from freezers and boxes to well plates and vials. First, we will print a barcode for a freezer. To do so, select a freezer in the Freezers and Boxes list view, right-click on it, and select the Print Barcode tool. We would like to use our user-selected printer and print one barcode. To confirm the print, we may select the OK button. Next, we can print a barcode for our subdivision. Again, right-click on the desired subdivision and select the Print Barcode tool. There may be times when you have different printer profiles set up with different label templates for freezers, for boxes, and for samples. When this is true, you may quickly change which printer profile you would like to use for printing in the Print Confirmation window. After ensuring that the desired printer is selected and the number of copies is correct, we may select the OK button to print another barcode. Perhaps the most often the printing function will be used is when you will need to print labels for samples and vials. First, open a box view by double-clicking on one of your boxes in the Freezers and Boxes section. Next, select a sample in the box view. Select the barcode icon in the right toolbar and confirm your printing options. Printing becomes just that simple. One of the last areas in the software where we may print barcodes is in the list view. To open the list view of the box you were just in, select the Vials and Wells hyperlink at the bottom of the box. We may print barcodes in this view by selecting a sample in the list and selecting the Print Barcode tool in the top menu bar. In the Samples, Groups, and Sources section, it is also possible to print barcodes from several list views. For example, by opening the All Boxes and All Freezers section, you may select a box from the list view and print its barcode. You may also print barcodes in the Staging and Receiving area and list views, which will lead you to other views in the system. This concludes the User Printing Barcodes and RFID Tags video tutorial. Up next, we will discuss accessing reports and audits. To review, a user may select the default printer in the User Preferences menu. Barcodes and RFID tags may be printed for freezers, subdivisions, boxes, samples, and more. Multiple copies of barcodes may be printed at once, and users may change which barcode printer profile they would like to use for printing on the fly.